Kumshibenta ban pinsapriang ya khubor Halor kajing sneu bat kajing jelai jong udrok hapok kajela kari Bhoi district police ha kajing snok tilang bat kari Bhoi college minta kasngi ka arpulai tarik unailar kalayo bansa ya khubor lingba ka awareness program Halor kapang drugs abuse and illicit trafficking ya kabala Pynlong hari Bhoi college nongpo hakani ka program lawan ban ajing hikai bat batai Halor kate kapang do Dr. L.R. Bishnoi Director General of Police Meghalaya ha kajing don ringkat ugiri Prasad SP Kari Bhoi, Ishan Gupta, Assistant SP Bhoi, UEC Benny, Principal Kari Bhoi College, Kihe Pulit na Bhoi, bat lawan ban syashkor di Samla Puli jang ketiga college bat kinong hikai.
Then you are taking food, but food is not a drug because it will not change the function of your mind. It is good for your health. But if you take the drugs for longer durations, then you will become dependent on drugs. So that is why we are concerned about it. Why we are so much concerned? Because in 2019, please remember, 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they have conducted a nationwide survey and they noted in 2019 at that time that there are nearly 8 crore people in India who are taking drugs. So this is a huge figure. Now it may be touching 10 crore. And major proportion of that drug abusers are the youngsters. They are ranging from the age of 15 to 35. And many of them are students. Either dropout students from the school or sometimes the school and college and university students. So that is why it is a cause of big concern for all of us. Because you are youngster, you are the future of the country, your life is as precious as diamond for us. We want to see the youth happy, healthy and smiling. We cannot afford to ruin the future of the youth by the drugs. Okay? So that is why we have come to your college. You must know some basic idea, even if you are not taking drugs, but if you are aware, you can save your friends, you can save your relatives who are in the grip of drug abuse, you can contribute in your own best possible. So quickly we will go through the slide on the drug abuse point of view. You know, the Meghalaya is a small state having almost population of 36-37 lakhs only. It has 12 districts and 80 police stations. And you know how many colleges are there in Meghalaya? There are 70 colleges. Sorry, Bhoi is one of them. Bhoi college was established in 1984. 1984. It's a quite old college, and I was told that nearly 1,500 students are there and 40 odd faculty members. College building is quite imposing, so I'm happy to come here. So why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because Meghalaya has close proximity to the Golden Triangle area. You heard about the Golden Triangle? Any idea what is a Golden Triangle? You have not heard? It is not a golden triangle, it is a devil's triangle. Devil's triangle. Why? The bordering area of the Thailand, Burma and Laos, these three Southeast Asian countries, comprising a very difficult terrain, almost 9 lakh square kilometer, where the opium poppy cultivation is done. And out of that opium, heroin and morphine are produced. So that is why earlier the name was Golden Triangle, but now it is a Devil's Triangle. And the area is so huge that 40 number of Meghalaya can be accommodated in that area. It's a huge area, and that area is a poorly administered area, and opium is rampantly grown there, and they have there some improvised factories to produce the heroin and morphine